Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akilan from Akilan Tech, and in this video I'm going to just talk about some of the best professional photo and video recording apps. So watch the video till the end because these are some of the 4 professional video recording apps. So let's get started. So the first app in the list is the Open Camera. You can see the Open Camera app right here. So just open it, and after you open it, this is the interface of the Open Camera. It looks somewhat complicated, but it is very simple. See, you can see this is the stop and play button. Most of the videographers and photographers use this Open Camera app. It is one of the professional video recording app. So here you have a settings icon to just tap on that, and after you just tap on the settings, you can see I'm just tilting the phone for a better experience. You also have a face detection option here right there. You can turn it on, but for now I'm just turning it off because if you want autofocusing option, then you can just turn on this face detection. And if you just scroll down, you will also have an option of video settings. So just tap on that, and after going into that, you have the resolution also. You can record up to 4K. For now I'm just recording into the full HD at 1920 by 1080 pixels. And you can also choose the video format, and if you just scroll down, you also have a good option of the audio source, that is the source of the audio. For example, if you want to just record the camera mic, then you can use the camcorder option, or if you want to use the external mic, then you can use this option. And these are some of the options you can just choose, which is not available in the other professional video recording apps. So this is one of the feature liked in this is Open Camera app. And if you just scroll down also, there is also an option of the video frame rate. You can just choose the video frame rate, or you can just keep it on default as I'm keeping it right now. And these are the video settings. You can also capture photos by going into the photo settings. You can just check the resolution and even the image quality and even the HDR mode and other modes. You can just try it. Here you have an option of the lock feature. If you just tap on that, the exposure will be locked, means the lighting will be locked. There will be no change in the light from the dark and light. The present lighting scenario will be locked when you click on this exposure locked feature. This is one of the feature I liked in this Open Camera app. You can even adjust the exposure. See, I'm just increasing and decreasing, and you can even zoom in and zoom out by just moving this slider from left to the right. So this is one of the feature I liked in this Open Camera app. And the second app in the list is the A Better Camera. I will provide all the links of these camera apps in the description below. You can just click and download the apps right from there. So in this A Better Camera app, you can directly switch to this is the photo mode, and you can directly switch to the video mode. You also have an option of the settings here. If you just tap on that, you can also find the night mode. This night mode will enhance your night photos. This is one of the most important feature in this A Better Camera app. And on the top, you have some of the options like you can see the auto focusing mode and the continuous video mode, the infinity mode and the macro shots. So like this, these are some of the important focusing modes in this A Better Camera app. If you want to just record the video with a better focus, then you can use this A Better Camera app, because you can see you can find so many focusing options in this Better Camera app. So like this app will be useful for you if you want to become a professional videographer. And the next app in the list is the Camera MX. I've just opened the app. You can see one of the feature liked in this Camera MX app is that if you want to just keep the Instagram stories or any other social media application stories, then if you want to just add the effects into that, then you can directly use this Camera MX app. For that, you have to just tap on this effects mode, and after I've just clicked on this effects mode, here you have so many effects. You have to just tap on one and one, so that filters will be added every time. So like this, it will be useful for you. You can see this is the kaleidoscope filter. So if you want to just try this effects, you can see these are so many effects in this Camera MX app. If you want to just use these effects and just record the videos, then this app will be perfect for you. For the effects, it is very perfect. And the next app in the list is the Camera FE Lite app. You can find this app in the Play Store. I'll provide the link in the description below. Don't worry about that. This app is especially for the professional videographers, because in this app all will be very manual, means there will be no automatic modes. Means you want to just adjust the exposure, the focus, the color mode and all the other modes, then this app will be perfect for you. So you can find all the manual modes bottom of the app. You can see you have to just tap on this white balance so that you can adjust the white balance. You can even adjust the focus mode, that is auto focusing, or the even the other modes, and you can even adjust the ISO of your video, and you can even adjust the exposure and exposure compensation, and even the zooming out, and some of the other manual modes in this Camera FE Lite app. So if you want to just use the all manual modes in a Camera mobile app, then this app will be very perfect for you.
And that's all from this video. I think you liked the video. If you find this video informative, hit that like button and share it to your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below because I'll definitely answer your questions. To subscribe my channel by clicking the Akilan Tech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers!